Hey, I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products. I'm showing you our walkable solar panels for vans. Happens to be 100 watt, but we have all different sizes. This is the fiberglass backs. We also have a carbon fiber, and I wanted to show you the mounting system. If you just bolt them down on the corners, they'll rip off right as you're going down the highway. So we recommend using these J channels, so it's supported. It's supported all the way along, or held down all the way along. And then we also recommend, and these J channels come with the panel. We also recommend a polycarbonate. I don't know if you can you see that gets airflow underneath the panel and keeps it cool, which helps it last longer and helps it perform better. The hotter solar panels get, the lower the performance goes. So this keeps it cooler, gets you, I don't know, depending, 5 to 20% more power. And then you take these J channels and you use VHB, very high bond 3M tape to tape it down, or you can screw them down, or both. And then the panel and the polycarbonate slide into it, and it's held down all the way along. You don't have to worry about the panel coming off, and you keep it cool and get max performance. So if you want one, custommarineproducts.store, buy online or call us or send us an email or do a chat any way you'd like to get a hold of us. We'll get you solar panels.